Carol.
Just a minute.
Why?
Just a minute.
Hi, Miss Carol. One Miss Carol. One Miss Carol.
Hey, Boss, say hi to Miss Carol.
Hi,
Hey, Boss, say hi, Miss Carol.
Carol.
Ooh, look at Drew, Miss Carol.
Watch these, Miss Carol. Watch my streamers when I go past.
AJ, say hi to Miss Carol.
Hi, Miss Carol. Miss Carol, look how my streamers are blowing. We're riding bikes. We wish you see that.
Say hi to Miss Carol.
Look at our Miss Carol.
Well, she's not here, but you can say hi to her, and then she'll see it.
Hi, Miss Carol.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Melly, say hi, Miss Carol. Hi, Miss Carol.
When I was tuning, Miss Carol.
Ray, say hi to Miss Carol.
I really love you. Miss Carol, I do have a couple of problems. I always fall and I do go really, really fast. Probably you could see that.
We love you, Miss Carol.